US President Donald Trump has reiterated America's support for India, stating that Washington would stand by New Delhi if the country were attacked, provided Prime Minister Narendra Modi remains in office. Speaking during a bilateral meeting with PM Modi on the sidelines of the 52nd G7 summit in France, Trump described India-US ties as strong and emphasized his personal commitment to the relationship. He said that while there is no formal agreement requiring such action, the United States would assist India in the event of an attack if Narendra Modi is leading the country. The remarks were followed by a warm exchange between the two leaders, who were seen shaking hands during the meeting. The US president also referred to himself as a great friend of India and said that PM Modi enjoys significant respect in Washington. Trump remarked that as long as he remains president, India will continue to have a strong friend in the White House. I think it is a great relationship. If they were attacked, we would be there to help them. We don't have a contract, but if they are attacked and PM Modi is the leader, we are going to be there to help. If anybody attacks that man, we are going to be there. If there is another leader, I don't know about that. But if they are attacked and he is the leader, we are going to help, Trump said. The meeting marked the first in-person interaction between the two leaders in more than 16 months. Their engagement began with a cordial handshake during the G7 outreach session and later progressed into detailed bilateral discussions. Trump also described PM Modi as calm and cool. According to the White House, the talks focused heavily on advancing the proposed India-US trade agreement. Sources indicated that discussions also covered developments in West Asia, the strategic Strait of Hormuz, energy imports from the United States, and broader economic cooperation. Both countries are reportedly interested in strengthening long-term energy ties, particularly amid concerns over disruptions to global supply chains caused by tensions in West Asia. The proposed India-US trade deal is set to be in its final stages, with negotiations progressing steadily. An interim trade agreement was reached earlier in February after a year of discussions. The talks come at a time when instability in the Strait of Hormuz continues to influence global energy markets and maritime trade.